expenditure and income. Subscription 20,000. Inner column correct?
Yes, sir.
Because of adjustments. Next entrance fee is also here only, right?
Yes, sir.
Entrance fees. It's income. We are collecting that fee from our public, right? Entrance fees.
4,000.
Entrance fee is how much, ma'am?
4,000.
Adjustment is there, huh?
No, sir.
So I am writing directly outer column. Next to
Endowment
fund. Say endowment fund we are receiving one time. That's why I am writing directly. It's a liability, right? We are keeping for future. One time we are receiving. So endowment fund is a other fund, right? Correct, Mama? We are receiving for one time, not regular. This is we are receiving regularly. This is also regularly, correct, right?
Yes,
one
sir.
time I should write here like I said. So I am receiving endowment fund for one time. Endowment. Endowment fund how much, Ma'am?
2 lakh.
2 lakh. See, for insurance claim, they are for fund that collecting, they are collecting for insurance claim. Endowment fund for patients only, workers only, they are given later. Not now. They will collect, then they will give to its employee only. Endowment fund. Next what? Adjustment is there, huh?
Yes, sir.
I am writing in the column donations.
40,000.
15,000. Next to from patients. Patient
5,000.
5,000 na? Adjustment is not there, right? Next to
Sorry, ma'am.
from bank. How much, ma'am? 400 is income. I'm writing I received, right? Receipt also I received. Correct, right? Miscellaneous receipts. Correct, huh?
Yes, sir.
Now receipts is over. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
Now payment side. What offers to? Equipment. This is new nursing home, right? Newly established. We purchased on 1/4/23. 1/4/23. It's the beginning, right?
Yes, sir.
Opening, entry. I am writing. Instrument and where I should write? Instrument and equipment. We need office equipment, right?
Yes, sir.
There are so many equipment we need. We need right in nursing home. That's why it's a one-time expenditure. Correct, right?
Yes, sir.
That is instrument. I am writing as non-current assets. What was it? Instrument and instrument and equipment. How much? 24,000. Non-current assets means what? We can't convert easily to liquid form. Liquid form is what? Debtors, cash, stock. Correct, right? This we can easily convert into cash form. We can't do this activity. That is not duty. We are not selling and purchasing instruments, right? It's a one-time expenditure. Correct, right, Mama? Stock we are purchasing repeatedly, right? That's why it is current assets. Which assets we can easily convert into cash form? It is called current assets in a 1 year. More than 1 year? You have to bifurcate these two things in balance sheet only. So non-current assets, beginning, furniture part, that is also beginning, right?
Yes, sir.
Furniture. How much, ma?
12,000.
I am writing in the column. Next to direct expenditures, huh?
Expenses.
Expenses. This is the expenditure, right? DIET, direct expenditures. That is a repeated expenditure, not one-time expenditure. Where I should write? Direct expenditures.
3,000.
Adjustment is there for this, sir?
No, sir. 3,600.
1,600. Next what?
Purchases.
Medicine purchase, huh?
Yes, sir.
Where I should write?
Expenditure.
Adjustment, huh?
Yes, sir.
Is there, huh?
Yes, sir.
How much, ma?
2,400.
400. Adjustment is there, so I am writing in the column, huh? Next, though? Adjustment is there, huh?
No, sir.
Salary, check once.
No, sir.
Salary.
10,000.
Outer column directly.
Yes, sir.
Next, though?
Office expenses.
Is there any?
Yes, sir.
Office expenditure because of adjustment 7,000, right?
Yes, sir.
Next to where it should write? Income. See, I said many times, if it is received, I should write either asset or expenditure.
Yes, sir.
Either asset, where I should write? Expense, huh?
Assets.
See, this government securities. So we purchase some bond from government, just like as investment. Correct, Amma? Correct, right? Government securities means what? We are purchasing shares from government companies. We are purchasing shares from government. Just what? That is investment, right? We have money, we invested in shares only. So that's why our investment. Investment where I should write? Asset, not one time. So it is sorry, one time. I should write only government securities. How much more?
2 lakh.
2 lakh. Next to cash,
Yes, sir.
Cash
Cash
is
and bank.
Cash. How much more?
1,000.
1,000,
Yes, sir.
Bank.
Bank 10,000.
10,000.
Yes,
Next to adjustment double entry, right?
sir.
Correct, Amma? All letters should do double entry. I am writing double entry only. Donations are to be capitalized. So where donation? It should be capitalized, right?
Yes, sir.
Capitalized. How much? 40,000. So I am telling full only. So nil, right?
Yes, sir.
Donations.
Capital, sir.
You very right now. What are the donation fund? How much?
40,000.
I will write next one here only. Next what?
Outstanding subscription.
Outstanding subscription for 23-24. So not yet received for this year and it's a subscription, right? Not yet received this year subscription. Correct, right? What is the meaning of?
Yes, sir.
So I should add, right?
Yes, sir.
This year subscription not yet received from my public, from my subscribers. So how was subscription now? Add outstanding, right? Add outstanding. Correct, right, ma?
Yes, sir.
2,000. Totally 22,000, na?
Yes, sir.
What are we
Sir,
at?
more. Sir, one more subscription.
One more is there, huh?
Yes, sir. Subscription. Advance.
This is one entry, right?
Yes, sir.
One more entry. As it is prepaid, right?
Yes, sir.
Right, asset side only. Outstanding subscription. 2,000. Correct, huh?
Yes, sir.
Next to
Subscription received in advance.
subscription received in
Advance.
24,000 rupees.
2,000.
Is that is included, right?
Yes, sir.
Correct, Amma?
Yes, sir.
Sanjana, what discussion? I said many times, I am observing each and every one. See, total I received 20,000, and that 2,000 that belongs to next year, right?
Yes, sir.
I should separate 2,000, correct, right? I should remove that 2,000. I should transfer to next year. That is my liability. Nursing company liability, right?
Yes,
I have to
yes,
transfer
sir.
generally. So advance minus
Minus.
advance, huh?
Yes, sir.
Same thing, right? How much? 10,000 minus, right?
Yes,
I
sir.
am getting 20,000 only.
22.
Sure?
Yes, sir.
22,000 minus 2,000? 20,000. So I should transfer to next year. That is my liability. So I am writing in advance, right?
Yes, sir. Liability.
What, ma? Liability, right?
Yes, sir.
What, ma? Advance subscription, huh? Advance subscription. How much? 2,000. Next to
Office expense outstanding.
office expenditure.
Outstanding.
So we paid office expenditure something 7,000. Still we have to pay something, right?
Yes,
For
sir.
this year we have to pay something amount. Outstanding expenditures, right?
Yes.
Outstanding office expenditure. How much?
1,000.
1,000. Totally
8,000.
Have to pay 8,000, but paid only 7,000. That's why That's my liability. I have to pay 1,000 for this year only. Again, it's a liability, right?
Yes, sir.
Outstanding office expenditures.
1,000.
1,000,
Yes, sir.
Next to,
And
say we
expense.
purchased on 1/4, in bracket you write 1/4 something you write. So we are preparing when ma? 31st May 2024. 1 year is there, right?
Yes,
We
sir.
purchased beginning only. So less depreciation. What done here?
20%.
20%. What one? Pause. Minus it. See, salary is a expenditure. Correct, right, ma? Correct, right? Outstanding means what? Not paid yet. So total I should pay 8,000, but paid only. So still 1,000 is pending. So that's why I'm adding. Together I should write this year's salary how much? So office expense how much, ma? 8,000. But I paid only 1,000 still is there. I have to pay. It's my liability, right? So I'm adding there. So liability, I'm writing liability. Correct, right? Salary? Salary outstanding, rent outstanding, office, all outstanding being same only. Different is what? Subscription outstanding is different. Correct, right? That is expenditure, that is income. So think opposite. What we are doing here now, we should think opposite in what? Subscription. Outstanding subscription, you think opposite for this, huh? Whatever we are doing now, that you do opposite. What we are adding, can subtract. What we are subtracting, we are adding. Correct, huh? That is subscription. One thing is different. The rest is same only. Whatever outstanding, we have to pay, we have to add. For this year. Double entry is over, huh?
Yes, sir.
Next what?
Instruments and equipment.
Depreciation rate? 20%. 2,000. 4,800. You subtract one. 19,200. One more entry I should write in expenditure, right?
Yes, sir.
Again. Here also depreciation how much of? 10% means 1,200. 10,800, ah?
Yes, sir.
Total these two double entry, right?
Yes,
One
sir.
entry, one more entry here.
Yes.
I am writing depreciation on
Instruments and equipment.
instrument and
Equipment.
equipment. How much, ma?
4,800.
4,800. Depreciation on furniture.
1,200.
1,200. Next what?
Stock of medicine as on 31st March 2024.
400. See, we purchased this much medicine, right?
Yes, sir.
2,400 we purchased this much only. And that we are not using whole things. Correct, right?
Yes.
Something we have stock, right? Something is pending, something is we have. How much our purchase?
400.
Closing stock, right?
Yes,
Sorry, closing stock, closing stock of medicine. How much, ma?
400.
400. I'll subtract, right?
Yes,
2,000.
2,000.
SPI hotel, SPI right? Where you should write? That one more entry. Liability.
Asset.
Aside.
Closing stock. Closing stock.
Think once.
Closing stock. It's closing stock, no sir. Assets. Because it is closing stock.
How you said liability? Always I'm telling one word. Whatever I have at the end, that is my asset, right?
Yes,
Remember
sir.
this word you keep in mind. Whatever I have at the end, whatever I receive in future, that is my asset. Correct, right? Right now what I have, that is asset. Stock also I have an asset.
Closing stock. Current asset.
Medicine,
Yes.
400,
Yes, sir.
What next? Now
That is
you close this one. Can you do it fast? Where more? How much? 400, check also. Surplus 400, anyone check? Balance is here. Someone calculate fast.
Yes, sir.
Capital fund is not there, huh?
No, sir.
It's only, surplus only capital fund then. This also capital fund, huh? 400, huh? Now in total what is all?
Assets is 2,43,400.
2,43,000.
400.
There are I will get same only. Check one.
Yes, sir.
Same, huh?
Yes,
Any doubt?
No, sir.
Video off here.
Anyone pause? Any doubt?
No,
Stop this.
sir.